So hey guys, welcome back to Tech Buffs with yet another video. In the last video we had seen some hidden tricks in Google Chrome Android, but in this video we are gonna see some really cool extensions on Google Chrome in the PC. So what you have to do for downloading this extension is just go and search Chrome apps on the Google, and it will take you to one of the websites in which you can see all the extensions and themes. Otherwise you can just check the descriptions in our video. So the first extension which you're gonna see is a VPN. A VPN can be downloaded externally by a software, or otherwise you can just download these extensions in your Google Chrome itself. This consumes very little data. So just search for setup VPN, and when you search it'll ask you to add it, and when you add it into your Chrome it'll get installed. Now for testing the VPN, let me go on to google.com, and when you go inside it's saying India, the location. So then afterwards you have to just open your setup VPN, give the language which you want, and if you want, create an account, or otherwise just leave it. Then it'll ask some permissions, then just allow it. When you go, it gives you a lot of countries and you can choose which country you want. After choosing a country, the VPN will be connected. Now go to the same google.com and you can see that the country India is not visible because the VPN is connected. This is a really cool extension and you can use this VPN consistently, and it works most of the time for me. So check it out in the description. Now moving on to the next extension. Whatever website we go on, we see a lot of ads, and these ads are unnecessary and little irritating. If you click on these ads, it can also cause a lot of virus to your laptop. So what you do is install this extension for avoiding ads. So this extension's name is uBlock, and for example I want to show you a website with full of ads. Go to Y2Mate, and now I'm checking our Tech Buffs video, and when you search for it you will have a lot of options to download them, and when you go to the download option you can see a lot of ads, and there it'll ask you permissions also, and which are really not safe for your PC. So what you have to do is install this extension which will completely block all the ads. When you click on add to Chrome, it'll take some time to install, and after installing, now let us move on to the same website and check whether the ads are there. Moving on to Y2Mate. This uBlock is used for blocking ads, and some websites don't allow these ad blocks. So sometimes you have to disable it too. Now as you can see here, not even a single ad is there, and it is clean from all of the spam and viruses. Let us move on to the next extension. We always have a situation to type something in our PC. That time we often make spelling mistakes. So this extension is really going to be useful for them. This extension's name is Grammarly, and you can download it by doing the same method as shown in the previous ones, or you can just check the link in the description. Grammarly is mainly useful for correcting the mistakes while typing some formal letter or an email. So for example, I go to Gmail and type something, and when I'm typing here I'm purposely making a mistake so that you know how Grammarly works. So for example, I'm typing here, I would like to take a minute to thank you, and thank you I'm not giving any space, and it says you have to give a space. And then again I type subscribing in the wrong spelling, and you can just right click on it and choose the right spelling. If you want Grammarly for your whole PC, then you can just go and download the software. Moving on to the next extension. If you want screen recorder for short videos, then go to Google Chrome and download this extension named Screencastify. Once you add it to Chrome, it'll just be installed there. So you can use this Screencastify for recording short videos in the range of 3 to 5 minutes. So now first let us open Screencastify and set it up. So open Screencastify and it'll ask you to set it up. You can either give your Google Chrome account, and it'll take some little permissions because you're using it in your Google Chrome browser. You have to allow these permissions, and it'll take you some of the basic info because it can provide you more advanced features. So after providing these information, you can start recording using Screencastify. For now, I'll show you an example. First, it gives you 3 options to record your browser tab, or the whole desktop, or only your webcam. And you have features to enable your microphone, and you can start the recording. When you complete the recording, it will give you a lot of extra features too. For example, now I'm stopping the recording, and when you go to the page of that recording, it'll ask you to save you in the Google Drive, or otherwise you can export it as MP4 or even as a GIF. This is a really cool extension, and you can use it and mention your reviews in the comments. So thank you for watching this video. If any of these tricks helped you in any way, like, share and subscribe to Tech Buffs, and keep supporting.